Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Tashi Palsang, or you can call me Jordan. As you can see, it's very cold here in Lava Monastery. So in Lava Monastery, before the Losar, before the Tibetan New Year, they would give us a set of new clothes. Sen, Shamthap and Tonga and all. But this year they decided to give us a warm coat, not this one, but they decided to give us a warm coat with the help of our grateful sponsors. The sponsors who work hard day and night to earn money. They are the one that who has been helping us, and they are the one who has been feeding us, clothing us, giving shelter to us. So we are very grateful to those sponsors. So as I said earlier, this year the monastery's principal and all decided to give us a warm coat. So before they ordered the coat, they divided us in 3 groups, which were the bigger one, and the medium one, and the small monk. So they measure our sizes, and they written our names, and after 1 month, I think, they give us the coat. So here it is. This is the video, and I hope you will like it.
去年的对动这些人 근데 저다 먼저 남경 교회에 장된 뭐가 다 먼저 나자 대신에 양 가면 그저 로마 쇼바다 되는 중마이나 소 철하나만 그냥 시대 딩스간 잠바래 딩자 캠보게 또 다른디 건병원이 파피에스 아니 신제 양 상인님 도 정말 빼는 가서 되게 내 공가 되고도나 한 저라 가서 뒤태동데 직바신경 교회 봐봐 소소 계획이 좀 보고래서 안다 레레이션 달라랑 피고라 디나 또 남경 싫어 하나도 거 근속을 열어서 지속으로 공가 없어 이나 소 철할 민이 되어야 디상 디 넘어서 방법도 두고 수행 성공 엔트로 담주려고 개인 후자세 개인 자야마 개선 대니 비지가 투텐 직매 디젤 회사 잡고
ठीक है सही आता दो
So at the end of the video, I want to thank our great sponsors who sponsor us this warm coat, and I also want to thank to those who work hard to get us this warm coat. Not just the sponsor, but the one who work hard for this. So thank you so much to our Lavrang. We are very grateful and we are very thankful. We appreciate your help, our sponsors. Once again, thank you so much.